Welcome to MHC Truck Source, located in Kansas City, Kansas. Our goal here at MHC is to provide our customers with the best possible courtesy and on-time service. Now let's take a look at our newest unit. This 2013 Kenworth T800 extended day cab features a Paccar MX motor pushing 455 horsepower and is paired with a 10-speed ultrashift automatic transmission. This low-mileage day cab includes a 178-inch wheelbase, 370 rear gears, full lockers, air slide fifth wheel, and 22.5-inch aluminum wheels. It also comes fitted with a PTO and Thermaflow wetline kit. Let's check out the interior, which includes power windows, locks, and mirrors. The unit comes with 351,000 miles and is perfect for the toughest vocations. We have multiple units available, so give us a call at 816-921-8600 for more information about this 2013 Kenworth T800 extended day cab.